Welcome back guys, how you all doing? Right, in this episode I've got new bucket seats, new spoiler, new other mods coming this way. On top of that we are prepping for Minifest 2024. I've also got some big news of what I'm doing the day after Minifest, which is going to be absolutely awesome. All in preparation for the big Nürburgring trip. Gonna be insane. Keep watching. Great video coming. Very short one though.
Nice.
So over the last few videos I've had quite a few people going, what the hell is that spoiler, man?
Brother,
But she's beautiful. She is stock. She's only an R50 spoiler. I imagine the previous owner must have had a big wing, hence they put the little wing on there. But I do quite like that style, to be honest. I like the flat style. So I've gone for same again, but bigger. Gone for the aero spoiler. So let's get that unpackaged and have a little look. Ooh. Oh, look at that bad boy. Carbon fiber. Damn. She's gonna look sexy. So I like the nice flat look. I like that small look. I don't like the big wings that poke up and come all the way across. I'm not a fan of that, but that's just personal taste, I suppose, at the end of the day. But yeah, that is gonna look sick. Let's get that fitted. Wow, she is stuck on there. Jesus Christ. Yes, I've undone the screws before you say it. Whoa, let me wrestle this and then I'll get back to you. Bloody hell, that thing was stuck on there. Look, it's even pulled off the bracket. Jeez. Little blobs. My lord. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's get this new bad boy mounted. Whoa. Nom nom. Race car. That looks the bollocks. Oh. Let's get her glued. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the best I can do. That's a lot better. Give me a nice surface to stick on now. Let's glue that bad boy on. You see my previous video, we can't run the winged bucket seats on the Nürburgring, so I've purchased these bad boy classics and they look absolutely amazing. See, I mean, I guess this spoiler is quite a unique taste, but I just love the simplicity of it, just the way it just flicks out. I mean, look at that. Nom nom. Whoa. Beautiful. Right, while that bad boy's drying, let's get some bucket seats fitted in because your comments kindly suggested don't run these standard seats. And actually, yeah, when I'm driving along with the harnesses, I'm actually slipping out as I'm braking hard. One of you guys commented about crossing the harnesses, but I just didn't like the angle of it. It didn't quite work, so good suggestion, appreciate that. Another of you really wanted a video of my footwork with my feet on the pedals while I'm driving. Bit weird, but each to your own. Not quite ideal, so these are going straight to the dump now. They are absolutely useless. So I'm not going to fit the new Bad Boy Classic bucket seats just yet. I'm going to put the original ones back in because I have Minifest on, well, in 2 days time now. Completely forgot about Minifest and I've booked my car to be on the show stand. So this little rough track car is going to be sitting with all the show cars, all because it was the only ticket I could get hold of to get my car on show. So I just lied and said it was a show car. But hey ho, probably look better than half the cars there anyway. So let me get them fitted because you don't want another video of me fitting bucket seats. And yeah, catch up with you in a second. But it's probably a good time to tell you, for 99p you can subscribe to my membership channel. You can subscribe to this channel for free, or you can subscribe to the members channel, which will help out with this build, which is only 99p a month. On top of that, you can do it for $89.99 a month and you'll get personal pictures of my feet. You won't. Alright, that's the spoiler. Pretty dry now. Pretty solid. Looking good. Nom nom. Yeah, a bit of a short video today, I know, but pretty much just to say, see you at Minifest. Got the bucket seats fitted back in. So she is looking sexy. So yeah, see you at Minifest. Oh, that news, I forgot to tell you. The day after Minifest, yeah, that's right. This bad boy is going to Monster Graphics and we are getting a beautiful wrap on the side of this thing. It is going to look amazing. So stay tuned for that one. It's going to be really exciting. Just in time for Nürburgring. Boom. So yeah, see you then. Thanks for watching.